Hello everybody. Hi everyone, welcome back to our video classroom. And today we will learn lesson 113, small change. Sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar? Darsxonamizga yana qaytib kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Bugungi darsda 113-dars small change degan darsni o'qiymiz. Okay. Andaqda bugungi yeni sözlüklerimizi qaraylı, yeni sözlüklerini o'rganib o'taylik boshda. All right. Andaqda birinchi so'z nima desanlar? Conductor. Okay? Conductor. Xo'sh, endi bu yerga conductor deganimiz nima desanlar? Savolashlar, a person whose job is to collect money from the passengers on a bus or check their tickets. Okay, nima deydi desanlar? Bu yerga bir kishi onun xizmati bo'lsa, o'sha avtobuslarda bilet yig'ish yoki shu biletni tekshirish. Demakchi, conductor degan nima? Hisobda avtobuslardagi biletchi nima deymiz? Sanlar conductor deymiz. Qaranglar rasmda, o'xshabdimi? Okay. Nima desanlar shu biletchi, bilet sotadigan nima deymiz? Conductor. Conductor. Aksiya qo'yinglar, conductor. Good. Yana bir conductor. Good. Andaqda keyingisi. If you want to passenger or conductor to change a note, what will you say to them? Okay, answer qaranglar. If you want the passenger or conductor to change a note, so what will you say to them? Andaqda siz yoki bir yo'lovchininki yoki bir bilet sotuvchi shu pulni tegishmoqchi bo'lsangiz yoki pulni parchalatmoqchi bo'lsangiz, siz nima deysiz? So what will you say? Siz nima deysiz shunaqa ahvolda? So, masalan, can you change a note? Okay, can you? Siz qila olamsiz, ayta olamsiz, change a note. Demakchi bu pulni parchalab bera olamsiz. Note deganim shu qog'oz pulni ko'rsatadi. Have you got any small change? And have you got bormi? Any small change? Sizda biror bir parcha pul bormi? Okay. Qaranglar. One day you decided to go to Happy Valley by bus. Please answer the following questions. Okay, answer qaranglar. One day you decided to go to Happy Valley by bus. Please answer the following questions. Demakchi, ma'lum bir kunda siz ko'ngilchi bag'chisiga, ama valley degan hamda jilg'isi hamda, demakchi ko'ngilchi bag'chisiga baho berishni qaror qildingiz. Undaqda siz tuvandagi savollarga javob berib baqing. Masalan, in which way can you pay for fare when you got on the bus? Okay? In which way? Siz qaysi usulda shu avtobusninki biletini to'laysiz, avtobusga chiqqan vaqtida? Okay? Get on the bus. And the get on degan nima? Avtobus mashinalarga chiqmoq degan nima deymiz? Savolashlar get on deymiz, Get on. Okay. And a fare, okay? And a fare deganimiz hamda nima desanlar? Shu nima? The money that you pay for the ticket. Demakchi siz shu biletga to'lagan pul adat nima deymiz? Fare deydi. Fare deymiz. Masalan, avtobusga chiqqanda conductor nima deydi? Demakchi bilet sotuvchi fares please deydi-ku. Endi bu demakchi bo'lgani bilet elinglar degan gap, Fare. Demakchi fare degan nima? Bilet. Demakchi shu biletning haqqi, biletning puli degan gap, Okay. All right. Note. Masalan, avval bir qadam uchratdik, hamda note degancha note. Okay, and the note degan nima desanlar? Paper money. Odatda qog'oz pulni nima deymiz? Sanlar note deymiz. Xo'sh, endi tanga pulni nima deydiganda misollar? Tanga pulni coin deymiz, Coin. All right, coin. Okay. This is nima? Note. Like RMB, dollar degandek, emas bakango. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar. Next one is change. Okay. Change deganimizda birinchi ma'nosi nima desanlar? Shu almashtirmoq degan gap, Masalan, change money. Okay? Bu degani pul almashtirish. Demakchi, masalan, dollarni xalq pulga, xalq pulni dollarga almashtirish mumkin keldi desanlar, change keladi. Masalan, abay degandek, can you change this 100 note? Okay. Demek siz bu 100 yuanlik pulni, yoki 100 yuanlik qog'oz pulni parchalay olamsiz? Now, Amasan, what should you do if you haven't got any small change on the bus? Amsama intay muhim bo'lgan savollar, savolashlar. So, agar siz avtobusga chiqqanda, o'sha parch pul ilib olmagan bo'lsangiz, siz qanday qilasiz? Okay, what would you do if you haven't? Okay. So, will you ask the passenger to change money? Okay. Siz shu yo'lovchilardan o'sha pulingizni tegishib berishga, parchlab berishga so'ramsizmi? Yoki parchlashni o'tinamsizmi? Or will you ask conductor to change the money? Okay. Yoki shu bilet sotqichning pulni parchlab berishni so'ramsiz? Okay. Agarda ham avtobuslarda bilet sotqichi bo'lsa, bu intayin yaxshi ahvol shunami? Agar bilet sotqichisi yo'q hamda hozirgidek avtobuslar bo'lganda desanlar, o'xshamaydi shunaqa. Okay, hamda misharki passenger. Okay, passenger. Okay, passengers bo'lsa nima desanlar, yo'lovchilar. Passengers. Okay. People who travel by bus or by train. Demakchi, kishilar o'sha avtobus orqali yoki poyezd orqali qatnaydiganlarni nima deymiz? Odatda passengers deymiz, passengers. Okay, look, they are all nima? Passengers, passengers. Okay. You know, if none of the passengers can change your note, what will the conductor ask you to do? Okay. Agar hamda mushu pulingizni yo'lovchilarning hech qaysi parchalab berolmasa, bilet sotqichi sizdan nimani talab qiladi? Okay, just sitting on the bus and just open your computer and just surfing. Demak, siz o'tirishni talab qiladi. Okay. Yoki nima ish qilishni? Get off the bus. Okay. Anda sizning talab qilgan albatta nima dersanglar, avtobusdan tushib ketishdan shundami? Get off deganimiz ham nima? Avtobusdan tushmak. Hamsi get on bo'lsa savodashlar, avtobusga chiqmak shundami? All right. And the next one is tramp. Okay, excellent. Tramp. Good. Tramp. And the tramp deganimiz ham person with no home means no home, job or money who travels around and asks for money from other people. Okay, nima dersanglar? O bir odamniki uyi yo'q, puli yo'q, hatto xizmatimi yo'q. Hamda nima dersanglar, shu bir yerdan bir yerga qatnab yurib, boshqalardan pul so'raydigan odam nima deymiz? Odatda tramp. Naq bunda odam nima bo'ldi bolalar? Sargardan. Tushunami? Sargardan. Okay? Look at this picture. Okay, you can see very clearly. No home, right? Okay, no money. Okay, just ask money. It means beg the money. Beg again, tell him action. Okay, next one, accept. Accept. And accept means every student is listening to the teacher carefully, but Tommy isn't. Tony isn't. Demekçi, bir şey hammaylar qanday qiladi? Anglatadi, lekin kim anglamadi? Tony. Demekçi, Tony'dan boshqa degan gap. Accept deganimiz ham nima? Din boshqa degan gap. Masalan, every student is listening to the teacher carefully, except Tony. Hamma o'quvchi muallimning darsini intay ko'ngil qo'yib anglayotidi. Except Tony. Tonydan boshqa. Okay. Tonydan boshqa. Masalan, except you. Sizdan boshqa. Except me. Mendan boshqa. Okay. Mendan boshqa. All right. Aniq qaranglar. Okay. Except you, all the students are in the classroom now. Except you, sizdan boshqa. All the students are in the classroom. Hamma o'quvchilar hozir nahar ekan bolalar? Darsxonada. Ko'rdingizmi? Sizdan boshqa. Except you, mendan boshqa? Except me. Except me. Okay. Ansa savodashlar, o'sha o'rgangan so'zimizni bir tekshirib boqaylik. Nima deymiz? Get avtobusga chiqmoq bo'lsa, get on the bus. Avtobusdan tushmak, get off the bus. Okay? Get off the bus. A person with no home or job who asks for money from other people, he is what? Tramp. Sargardan tushunami? Nima deganimiz? Tramp. Demak, tramp. Yaxshi. You know, they are the people who travel by bus or by train. They are mushu poyez bilan yoki avtobus bilan qatnaydiganlar edi. Biz nima deymiz bolalar? Passengers. Good. Passengers. Passengers. Degan nima? Yo'lovchilar. Masalan, passenger bekat deb qo'ydik uyg'urchada. Shu passenger station degan gap. Okay, passengers. Passengers. Okay. And every student is listening to teacher carefully, but Tony isn't. Lekin bu Tony anlamadı shunama. Shu Tony'dan boshqa degan nima? Every student is listening to the teacher carefully, except Tony. Nima ekan? Except Tony. All right. Xo'sh, amsa, yana paper money nima degan hisoblaslar? Qog'oz pulni nima? Note. Yaxshi. Note deymiz, bala. Note. Note demasa, note. Note. Good. You know, we need some small change. Small change kichik parcha bo'lishi nima? When we take a bus. Albatta, avtobus chiqqanda we need what? Change. Avtobus chiqqanda change. Yaxshi. The money that you pay for the ticket is siz bilet to'laydigan pul nima deymiz bolalar? Fare. Yaxshi, fare. Good. You know, a person whose job is to collect money from the passengers on a bus or check their ticket, he or she is a what? Conductor. Conductor. Yaxshi, conductorning xizmati nima ekan bolalar? Shu bilet chiqish, bilet sotish degandek. Nima? Xo'sh, amsa, so'zliklar mushagichi bo'lsin, savodashlar. Amsa sizlar ma tekstni intayin ko'ng qo'yib anglanglar. Listen very carefully and then match match these. Bularni qanday qilib beqinglar desanglar, tutashtirib beqinglar. Xo'sh, amsa, hozir biz sizlarga anglash qismini qo'yib birlar. Diqqat qilib anglanglar.
Lesson 113. Small change. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Who has got some small change? Fares, please.
Trafalgar Square, please.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't change a 10-pound note. Haven't you got any small change?
I've got no small change, I'm afraid.
I'll ask some of the passengers. Have you any small change, sir?
I'm sorry, I've got none. I haven't got any either.
Can you change this 10-pound note, madam?
I'm afraid I can't. Neither can I.
I'm very sorry, sir. You must get off the bus. None of our passengers can change this note. They're all millionaires.
Except us. I've got some small change. So have I.
Alright guys, finished? Look, so haven't you got any small change? And they so'rab tushunami? Sizlarimiz qaysi maskelar? I've got no small change, I'm afraid. So have you any small change, sir? Oh, I'm sorry, I've got none. Right? Can you change this 10-pound note, madam? I'm afraid I can't. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar, mushu o'qinglar hamda mushuni javobini nima qilib beringlar. Masalan, birinchisi, what is the conductor asking the passenger for? What is the conductor asking the passenger for? What? She's asking for what? Fare, right? Fare. Demakchi, mushu bilet pulini so'radi, shunami? Okay. So, where is the man going? You know, he's going to Trafalgar Square. And I came a lot, Trafalgar Square. Okay. And then, did the conductor want this 10-pound note? Okay, did the conductor want this £10 note? Okay, and then £10 note no, she didn't, right? She wanted some small change. And that £10 note small change. Okay, so what is the conductor saying to the lady? Can you change this £10 note? So who's got any small change? Okay, two tramps. Two tramps. Alright. Andaqda sağlaşlar, bugünkü teksimizge language focus. Tilning intayim muhim noktalarını bir koyup çıkıdı. Qaranglar, I've got no small change. Endi müşerki no deganimiz hamda nima qilib keldi desanglar, bu I haven't got any small change. Menda pach pul yo'q. Demakchi I've got none. Endi mana ingliz tilida mana shu no ni ismlarni oldiga qo'yish orqali nima desanglar yo'q deganni ifodalaydi. Demak müşerki no yo'q. Bu nimaga teng desanglar not any. Okay? Masalan, I do not have any water. Demakchi I have no water. Yoki I have got none. Menda hech qaysi nima yo'q. Endi qaranglar sog'lashlar. Masalan, have you got any chocolate? Sizda shokolad bormi? No, I haven't got any chocolate. Okay? I've got no chocolate. Okay. Demakchi I have not got any chocolate, I've got no chocolate, and I've got none. Demakchi menda faqatlam yo'q. Shunami? I've got none. Okay. Let's try, guys. You know, there isn't any milk in that bottle. Right? Buni o'zgartirsak nima? There's no milk in that bottle. Demakchi botilkada sut yo'q. Shunami? You know, there aren't any books on the shelf. Bu nimaga teng desanglar, there are no books on that shelf. Demak, endi mana shu sanog'ini bo'lgan ko'plikka nima desang, there are no books. Cho'qim no'ni qatqani keyindagisi, agar ko'plik bo'lsa, cho'qim ko'plik bo'yicha kelaveradi. Masalan, no milk, no books, shnama, no books. Okay. Andaqda ma'ni keyin qaranglar. You know, I haven't got any money. Demakchi I've got no money. I haven't got demakchi pul yo'q. Demakchi I've got no money. Bu nima asosan asosan tang ifodalash. Masalan, there isn't any coffee in this tin. Demakchi bu tumi muqtara nima? Qahva yo'q. Yoki there is no coffee in this tin. Shunami? Andaqda saqlashlar. You know, I didn't see any cars in the street. Men bu ko'chada hech qanday mashina ko'rmadim. Shunami? Buni I saw no cars in the street. Demakchi men ko'chada hech qanday mashina ko'rdim. Demakchi hech qanday yo'q bir mashina ko'rdim. Demak ham nima shada? Ashnaga qaysi keladi desanglar, no car. Demakchi there isn't bilan, haven't bilan nishoni birlikda ishlasak bo'ldi ekan saqlashlar. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.